Just watch go. If you have yet not seen this car on our TikTok, it's my project E28 BMW, built to drift car. And today we're going to Remap and try to make some horsepower.
What horsepower do you think you'll get?
I think 350. I'm joking. So guys, we just arrived at APA Performance in Corby, custom map for my BMW. Fingers crossed, actually. We will see. Because it's a custom map, we need to figure out everything on the laptop, connect all sensors to the ACU, program all fuel pumps, injectors. So we're downloading new program and it's starting soon. We need to change too much power. We have to remove one spring, so we will see. Injector sockets, it's just pop out. So we're using cable ties and ready to go. So now just try to little bit up the boost. Every run, as you see, it's a little bit more and more and more power. Need everything done perfect. So we spend the time and we're waiting. One relay stuck. It's not switched on the ventilator. In the future I have to change to bigger ones. Upgrading relay. What happened? Just watch go.
Today we had old, interesting BMW that has M50 engine, which was built by Andrews. I believe we managed to kill the clutch because we don't have gears anymore. When I see it first time in my life, there are some unanswered questions when you start mapping it. But yeah, it worked fine. It's kinda making a lot of power. 1.4 bar, we are having 670 horsepower. I would say really great for that type of engine. These engines usually fail because of only one reason, a fuel system. And on this car, fuel system is pretty much overbuilt. It has 4 fuel pumps, which is not necessary, but it does the job.
We finished the mapping. It's got 676 horsepower. We come back to car edition, remove the gearbox, and we will see what's happened with the clutch.
We are back.
We're back! So. We just removed the ZF race Samsonas gearbox, and what we found? A lot of horsepower. We just snapped the shaft, and if you see this piece left inside. We already got a part from Lithuania. It's a brand new clutch shaft. This is old one. We already split the gearbox. Inside the gearbox everything looks very nice and smooth. This goes back. This got a screw from another side. Put it together and put it back to the car. We have brand new seal. Perfect. Oops. Clutch shaft fitted in. This gearbox fits to any BMW with the M50, M52 or M54 engines. H-pattern, dog box, straight gears, 1200 Newton meters easy. But I'm thinking to buy sequential gearbox. This one is for sale. So guys, if you're interested, give me a call. Just filling oil. It's a special oil 90W140. We need a 1.8 liter. Finally we finish. Everything works. It's ready to go back to the car. I'll be back. Gearbox is fitted on, everything working perfect. Now just we do little test. We have the alarm as well because a lot of smoke. And next time we're going to the drift shot.